Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's tired of waiting forever for your nail polish to dry and dealing with smudges, this one's for you. Today, we're reviewing a product that promises to give you that salon-quality finish without the hassle. Olive & June Quick Dry Nail Polish in Swan Opaque White. Let's get into it. First off, this nail polish has a bold claim. It dries in about a minute. That's right, you won't have to sit around forever, with your hands held up awkwardly while your nails dry. As someone who's always on the go, I'm excited to see if it lives up to that promise. I'm testing it out with 2 coats of the polish and the matching top coat. And I'll tell you, there's no more worrying about accidentally smudging your nails or having that annoying dent from pressing something too hard. The formula is 15-free, meaning it's free from 15 harmful ingredients commonly found in nail polishes, which is a big win for those of us who are always on the lookout for cleaner beauty options. It's also cruelty-free and vegan, so you can feel good about what's going on your nails. It's clear that Olive & June really considered both performance and health in creating this product. Now, let's talk about the texture and the application. The formula is smooth, gliding on effortlessly without streaks. The wide, fan-shaped brush is really easy to use, and it gives you the ability to apply the polish evenly, even if you're not the most precise when it comes to DIY manies. I have to admit, I was impressed by how it covers the nail with just 2 strokes. Once it's on, the Swan Opaque White gives you a gorgeous, glossy, mirror-like shine. It doesn't shrink or dull down like some quick-dry polishes do, which is a major win in my book. When you're spending time applying nail polish, you want it to last and look perfect. This formula doesn't disappoint. And speaking of lasting power, this nail polish stays put for up to 5 days. That's the longest lasting quick dry polish I've encountered, and trust me, I've tried a lot. When paired with the Olive & June Quick Dry Top Coat, you're in for a longer lasting mani that stays fresh. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat everything. There are a few areas where this polish might not be the best for everyone. While the drying time is fantastic, if you apply too thick of a coat, you might still run into some slight smudging. I would recommend keeping it to a thin layer to get the best results. But on the whole, it's a solid product. Is this worth the money? If you're someone who struggles with long drying times or is tired of constantly reapplying polish to fix chips and streaks, then yes, I'd say this is a great investment. It offers salon-quality results with the convenience of doing it at home, and the longevity is really impressive for a quick-dry formula. The price is justified, especially considering that you're getting a vegan, cruelty-free option that lasts up to 5 days. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other quick-dry polishes out there, but not all of them offer the same level of durability or shine. Some may offer similar drying times, but they don't last nearly as long or lack the clean ingredient profile that Olive & June offers. So, what's the final verdict? This product is definitely a game changer for anyone who wants a quick, mess-free mani that still delivers high-quality results. It's perfect for people who need their nails to dry fast and last longer, especially if you're pressed for time but still want that polished, professional finish. Before I wrap up, let me know if you found this review helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews just like this one. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you've used Olive & June Quick Dry Nail Polish, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.